Hello! Today, you may be making blackout poetry if that is what you chose. So I found a website that allows us to make blackout poetry and then gives you a nice way to save it. So, oops. Um, we see the text here. Now I'm asking you to use no more than 15 words. That means you can select only 15 words that you want to use. There are 3 different texts to choose from. This first one is from Alice in Wonderland. Second one is Pride and Prejudice, and the third is Heart of Darkness. So you can choose which one you want to use. Alice in Wonderland may be the most familiar, but I'm going to go ahead and choose for my example Heart of Darkness because that is the last book that I read on this list. I read it in college. So to choose words, and remember, you need to choose 15. All you do is click the word. So if I want to start my poem with the, and then the next word that sticks out is flood, then I would click those 2 words. And maybe I would want to click turn, waterway, luminous, peaked, vanishing, the air was, director, seaward, river. I'm not sure how many that is, but the most you can use is 15. When you have clicked and unclicked your word, see how if you click one, you can unclick it? So if you've clicked and unclick all of your words in order to make the poem that you want to make, you go down to the very bottom and you hit black out. And then you can scroll back up and look, there's your poem. The flood turned waterway, luminous peaked, vanishing. The air was director, seaward, river. My poem didn't make very much sense there, but that's also because I was doing it fairly quickly. I actually made one for fun right before this video, and I think it was so good. I'm going to make it again and then post it as an example. But that's how you use it. If you want to undo it, you just go down here and hit reset. And all of your words, you have to do them over again, but maybe you want to change text. And Alice in Wonderland this time, you want to go rabbit hole, falling, plenty, to wonder, something like that. Whenever you're done, go ahead and at the very bottom, hit black out. And then if you're happy with how it looks when you go up and check, then you can go ahead and if all of your words are in one small section, you can hit render square. But if you want, I would go render full text. This is what I would suggest because it says render full text. That means that it's going to take a picture of your whole poem and give you that as a picture. So last thing that I'm asking you to do is right click. You right click by pressing 2 fingers and then clicking with another finger. So 2 fingers and then click with a 3rd finger on your mouse pad. If I do that, this comes up. I could either save image if I want to do that, or I can copy the image and then I am going to do either one of those and upload it to my Google Slides presentation. All right, that's what I'm asking you to do tomorrow. I can't wait to read your blackout poems. That's all I have for you. Feel free to email me with any questions that you have about this assignment, and I can't wait to read your blackout poems. I'll see you later.